about to rage.
Where are the other people, dude?
I'm turning this down so no one can hear the cussing.
No! I had a fucking jump pad that I could have used, man. Those kids were so fucking bad, dude. I'm playing this game, man. It's fucking bad. It's so bad. Are you kidding? You know this is stupid fucking crazy, dude? The metal very thing, dude? I have no idea what they're fucking doing, dude. I'm gonna fucking fly out there to the door so fucking build, okay? Why can't metal break metal? Like, what is this IRL? It's a fucking video game, okay? I should be able to fucking build wherever I fucking want. What the fucking 20 damage? This thing is a joke, man. If it wasn't free, it would be gone. I'd be playing something else, dude. He's picking them up. He should be up already. He's up. Fuck you, man. Fuck you. You did it. You fucking did it. You're fucking having bags.
And all credit goes to Evan RS, so I'll put his link down in the description. Bye.